Alright, welcome. We'll be talking about solving systems of equations using table and graphs today. And I want to take you to Desmos because I want to show you some tricks on it. Now, you guys know how to solve by graphing. Pretty simple. You graph both and you look for the intersection. Okay, now what if I wanted to solve by tables? Okay, now heaven forbid, let's say you get a really big value and you're like, oh, I don't know how to do this and stuff. What you do is you put in your calculator your lists, and then you would look for some certain things, and I'll show you in a sec. Okay, now in Desmos you can do the same thing, except you have to have your graphs in a certain order. So let's go to edit list, because then I can add a table. Now if you notice, the first one does not have an edit. It does not have a convert to table form. This one does, so I'm going to convert to table. Okay, and it's pretty simple. I line it up. Okay, now if I go up here, I need to convert this to its form, and I need to divide by 2. Okay, y equals. Okay, alright, so what I've done is I've taken it from standard form and I've converted it to slope-intercept form, and now I can actually do my edit list. So I convert this to a table as well. Okay, now what am I looking for exactly? Let's say I didn't have the graph. Voila, I don't have the graph, I'm just doing the tables. Okay, I'm looking for the same exact intercepts. So in other words, I'm looking for the same exact y point. Okay, so as you can see, they both have a 2, so that's a good sign. Okay, and those both occur at the same point. When those happen, we're good to go. Okay, and that usually signifies that -1, 2 is going to be my answer, which you can confirm by the graph that it is. Okay, so that's a way to check it. Now if you were doing it on a TI-89 type of graph, you guys, I would, or TI-89 or TI-83, it depends on what you want. Okay, is I would go to list. Okay, and then I would actually I would set up my table of values. So I'd have my X table. Okay, so I have my X values over here on the left. Okay, and then you would have your Y1. And Y2. Okay, and you would look at the list of numbers, and you would soon find that there would be a -1 here, and there would be a 2 here, and a 2 here. Okay, and obviously you would have some different numbers in between, but when you get this magical situation, this is your answer for your table. Okay, this method is used for really big numbers, especially of big equations. Like for example, if you're dealing with the thousands, this might be the way to go, is using a table and everything, and then punching in your values as you go. But remember, you have to have y equals to use the table. It's different from how to use the graphs, but in reality it's the same. It's on a much larger scale to where you don't have to zoom out constantly. Okay, and that's solving systems using tables and graphs. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.